We will look at some of the examples of the complement rule, which states that the probability of A is 1 minus the probability of A complement, or the probability of A complement is 1 minus the probability of A. For example, if the probability of winning is 0.2, then the probability of losing is therefore 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. In this case, we assume that there are only two events in the sample space. Either you win or you lose. We can denote this using a Venn diagram. In a sample space, we only assume whether it is winning or losing. And we cannot both win and lose at the same time. So these two events are disjoint. They are mutually exclusive. The probability of one event is 1 minus the probability of another event. Another example, if we take a true-false question quiz, the probability of guessing a correct answer is 1/2 or 0.5. The probability of getting an incorrect answer is therefore 1 minus 1/2 or 1/2. If we were to guess a multiple choice question with 4 options A, B, C, D, out of the 4 options, there is only one correct choice. Therefore, the probability of getting a correct choice, of guessing a correct choice, that is 1 out of 4. The probability of getting an incorrect choice is therefore 3 out of 4, because whether you guessed correctly or incorrectly. We can get 3/4 from taking 1 minus 1/4. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. And again, in this case, we assume that the sample space consists of all of the possible answers, A, B, C, D, but only one of these is the correct answer. Suppose C is the correct answer, then the incorrect answer have to be A, B, or D. The probability of the correct answer is 1 minus the probability of the incorrect answer, which consists of 3 options out of 4. These examples demonstrate the complement rule. They are simple. However, with more complicated problems, we can apply the same method. Usually, it is much simpler. It is less complicated to compute the probability indirectly if the complement is simple. We will apply that method of using the complement rule to find the probability when we encounter problems involving at least one in the very near future.